So, overview. Chitosan is a sugar that comes from the outer skeleton of shellfish, including crab, lobster, and shrimp. It's used as medicine and in drug manufacturing. Chitosan is a fibrous substance that might reduce how much fat and cholesterol the body absorbs from foods. It also helps blood clot when applied to wounds. Interesting, right? So people use Chitosan for high blood pressure. So you would take this if you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, wound healing, like you have nodules or you get blood clots or you have high risk of those things, gout. However, there is enough people that have taken it in studies to show that it does absolutely work with lowering high blood pressure and aiding in your weight loss journey. So, high blood pressure, replacing table salt with a table salt product that contains small amounts of chitosan or symbiosyl might help lower blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. Obesity, taking chitosan by mouth while on a calorie restricted diet can improve weight loss in people who are overweight or obese, but only by a very small amount. Recovering after surgery, applying chitosan gel might prevent scar tissue from forming the sinuses after surgery, that's huge. I didn't know that about this. There's interest in using chitosan for a number of purposes, but there isn't enough reliable information to say whether or not it might be helpful, other than just hearing people's stories about it or the tests that these holistic doctors, and I say holistic as in they were once doctors and in the corporate doctor world that were tired of having to meet a quota of pushing hardcore medications to patients that they didn't believe in just for the fact of getting the kickbacks or meeting a quota with their work. So they've left the corporate world of medicine and started their own private practices in a more holistic way if they can. Of course, they still prescribe medications if they need to, but they try the holistic approach first if they can. So, when taken by mouth, Chitosan is possibly safe when used for up to 3 months. It might cause stomach upset, constipation, or gas once you first start.